And taking a live look right now at Clearwater Beach, just absolutely gorgeous. What a lovely day. Perfect weather, sunshine, all that good stuff. Lovely to be out there on the water, Bobby.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous day. And warm enough for a beach day, right? It's a legitimate beach day out there. This is Bellwether Beach Resort. That's in St. Pete Beach. We're looking off to the north and the northwest, and that looks nice. 80s, mid-80s here right on the beach. Water temperature has been in the low 70s. It's creeping up just a little bit because overnight lows are going to be in the low 70s. So, yeah, very fortunate to have some good beach days here, although it's much warmer for this time of the year. Going about 87 to 88 for a daytime high today. Now, the beach is maybe just a touch cooler than that, not by much. We'll get a little breeze to come in off the water. It's kind of starting up now. It's not a lot of wind, but it's enough to keep temperatures cool just a little bit. But you notice dry all the way through this evening, although that's not going to be the case, I think, for this weekend, at least for some of us. So let's get over the weather wall. Let's talk about that weekend forecast. Temperature is really going to be the big deal this weekend, and the humidity, because it's back, right? Dew points upper 60s to near 70. That's when it's real sticky out there. 82 in St. Pete and Clearwater. Feels about 85 degrees out there. 84 in Lakeland, 86 in Lakewood Ranch, 83 in Sarasota. Watching that number in Tampa because that's the one where we have that official high of about 89 is the record for today. Partly cloudy skies. You can see the wind generally out of the south. Be light and come out of the southwest with that sea breeze along the immediate coast, but all the showers are over to our east. There's a couple showers south of Highlands County. Can't rule that out. DeSoto County, Southern Highlands could see a sprinkle, but don't look for much. Most of the rain has been back up to the north and the west. Southeast Texas, East Texas, they have really needed the rain. They're getting some. Louisiana, it's the hardest hit drought areas right here in the southern part of the state. They'll get some rain later tonight, so good news for them. And this frontal boundary will eventually try and come through here Monday night into Tuesday, but it's really going to kind of linger around a little bit. It's not going to be a big push of cool air behind it, but we will dry out and cool out just a little bit. So next 12 hours today, warm, muggy for this afternoon. This evening, mild all the way through. Low 70s. Nothing like that really cool air we've been seeing lately. We won't get that tonight. Southwest winds to the northwest, only 5 to 10 knots. You can see the beach looks fantastic. 72 degrees. Light chop out there on the bay. 72 in the water, that is. Saturday, here's the weekend. Yeah, 20% chance for a shower. That is not a lot, but it's there. And I think especially after about lunchtime, certainly warm both Saturday and Sunday. Going 88 on Saturday. 86 on Sunday. Just a few more clouds around at times on Sunday. That would be just about it. So both days look pretty good. This is the rain chance on Sunday. That's 20%. There's just not much there. So don't be surprised if we see one or two, but that would be it. I wouldn't cancel any plans. Monday, we'll start to see a few showers, especially inland locations. And then as we get into Tuesday, we'll start to ramp up those rain chances. This is around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We need that so bad. Meanwhile, Louisiana getting some of the heavier rain, with a low trying to develop. But that sets up the stage for late Wednesday. This is Wednesday evening, but overnight, Wednesday night and Thursday. And this timing will change a little bit. That is the best rain chance we have had in over a month. So hopefully this still holds, and that'll give us that decent rain chance and then gradually start to dry us out after that. You can see all the heavier rainfall totals that'll be building back out to our north and the west. Look at that. That's what the doctor ordered for them. But for us, we get a little bit more. This is the European model, but there's still kind of a bullseye there where we don't get as much. It's more to the north, more to the east, but we're going to get some. So there are those rain chances. You see just very small over the weekend. Monday, not much at all. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be our best chance for some showers. It's going to be breezy through that period as well. In fact, wind gusts in the 20s to near 30 by the time we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. But look at those temps. They will cool off a little bit. We'll go down to the low 80s for highs. All right, guys, don't forget to get your forecast on the radio. You can hear it at 105.5 The Dove, 107.3 The Eagle, Magic 94.9, and WSRQ.